Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today I am sharing a fun, cheesy and crispy snack, chicken bread pizza ball, a perfect tea time treat for everyone. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon oil and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add 1/4 cup warm water. Pizza-inspired snacks like this started as street food before becoming party favorites. Make a soft dough. Rub some oil and cover for 40 minutes. For the filling, heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 3 tablespoon onion. One teaspoon green chili. Saute for a minute. Add 1 cup chicken. One teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander, half teaspoon cumin, and half teaspoon garam masala. Cook for 2 minutes. Pizza balls are loved worldwide by kids and adults alike. They can be customized with any filling you like, veg, chicken or even paneer. Add 2 tablespoon green capsicum and 2 tablespoon red capsicum. Cook until the chicken is soft. Then keep aside. Resting the dough makes the outer layer light and fluffy. Now take some dough. Place mozzarella cheese. Then add the cooked chicken. Cheese stretches not only look fun but also show perfect cooking. Cover well and shape into a ball. Don't overfill the dough or the balls may open while frying. Fry in medium heated oil for 5 to 7 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Use medium heat oil to fry so they cook evenly inside and out. You can also bake them instead of frying for a lighter version. Chicken provides lean protein that makes you full. Capsicum adds vitamin C and freshness to the snack. Homemade pizza balls are healthier than frozen snacks. And that's it. Crispy outside, cheesy inside, chicken bread pizza balls ready to enjoy with your favorite dip. Would you like me to try a veg-only pizza ball version? Do you prefer fried snacks or baked ones? Which cheese would you add to this recipe? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun snacks.